If you are in need of a government land surveyor in Hyderabad, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. Our company specializes in providing professional surveying services for all types of land projects, both in the public and private sectors. With our expertise and experience, we can help you with all your land surveying needs in Hyderabad. As a government land surveyor, it is our responsibility to accurately measure and map out various types of land. This includes determining the boundaries, topography, and features of the land, as well as identifying any potential issues or obstacles that may affect the development or use of the land. By conducting thorough surveys, we can provide valuable information to government agencies, developers, and other stakeholders involved in land projects. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we understand the importance of precise and reliable surveying. Our team of experienced surveyors uses the latest technology and equipment to ensure accurate measurements and detailed mapping. We employ advanced techniques such as GPS and laser scanning to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of our surveys. With our state-of-the-art tools and expertise, we can deliver high-quality surveying services that meet the specific requirements of each project. When you choose us as your government land surveyor in Hyderabad, you can expect professionalism, efficiency, and attention to detail. We strive to provide exceptional customer service and ensure that our clients are satisfied with the results of our surveys. Our team works closely with clients to understand their needs and objectives, and we tailor our services accordingly. Whether you need a survey for a small residential plot or a large-scale infrastructure project, we have the knowledge and resources to meet your requirements. When it comes to land surveying in Hyderabad, the services of a government land surveyor are highly sought after. A government land surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate measurements and mapping of land. Their expertise is essential in various areas such as urban planning, construction projects, property disputes, and infrastructure development. In Hyderabad, one reputable company that offers land surveying services is Scon Design India Private Limited. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a well-established and trusted firm that specializes in land surveying and other related services. With their team of experienced professionals, they have gained a reputation for delivering accurate and reliable surveying solutions. They understand the importance of precision in land surveying and use advanced technology and equipment to ensure accurate measurements and mapping. One of the key advantages of hiring a government land surveyor in Hyderabad is their knowledge of local regulations and laws pertaining to land surveying. They are well versed in the legal requirements and procedures involved in land measurement and mapping. This knowledge is crucial in ensuring that the surveying process adheres to all necessary guidelines and regulations set by the government authorities. Another benefit of engaging the services of Scon Design India Private Ltd is their experience in handling a wide range of projects. Whether it is a small residential plot or a large-scale infrastructure development, their team has the expertise to handle any type of land surveying project. They have successfully completed numerous projects in Hyderabad and have earned the trust of their clients through their professionalism and commitment to delivering high-quality results. Furthermore,